Regular maintenance of your beekeeping equipment will help you to achieve two main goals. First, it will extend the life of your equipment. Second, it will help you to prevent some diseases or some problems in your beehives. Today we do a basic maintenance of our supers and our frames. Hello, my name is Patrick Nadeau from Artisan de la Ruche. The season is almost finished. We took good care of our bees, and now it's time to take care of our equipment. Don't wait any longer and let us show you how we do our basic maintenance of our supers and our frames. We first make a visual examination of the super. This will allow us to detect breakage, holes, or any other problems such as a flaking paint or the presence of wax moth. Supers requiring repairs will be set aside to correct the problem later. Then we do scraping with our hive tool to remove all the accumulations of wax and propolis, taking care to make the edges where the frames rest. Finally, we do the sterilization by scorching, paying particular attention to all corners and cracks. The flame should be left long enough to color the wood a little but not burn it. As with the supers, we first make a visual examination of the frames. We check their solidity, the signs of diseases, and we evaluate the age of the frames. Problematic frames will be set aside for repair or replacement. After 3 to 4 years in the brood box, dark frames needs to be changed to prevent some diseases. After, we remove wax and propolis around the frames by scraping. If we neglect this step, manipulations in the hive become more difficult with time, because frames tend to be thicker. Finally, it is possible to do sterilization by scorching with wooden frames. Of course, wax and plastic cannot be disinfected in this way. We don't do this step for every frame. On the other hand, it can be useful for the areas where there are accumulations of mold. That completes the video for today. Hoping that you will too take care of your beekeeping equipment. If you enjoyed the video, please click the little like button just here down below and subscribe to our channel because we have very nice projects for the next season. And if you want to receive all notifications from Artisan de la Ruche, don't hesitate to click the little bell here down below. If you have comments or if you have questions, you can write us here down below. We will really like to hear from you. And that's it for today. See you next time.